Hello family, Sir here. In this video, we are going to tour a luxury property by a Charlotte area home builder. Stick around. Now we're going to look at the NAPA floor plan by Classica Home Builders. But before we do, I want to introduce myself. I am Sir Ashley, a realtor and investor in North Carolina and South Carolina. And on this channel, we talk about money, real estate, and North and South Carolina. So if any of those things interest you, consider joining the family. We have thousands of people who have joined, and I am grateful for each and every one of you. All right, now come with me and let's tour this property. Now the NAPA floor plan is a 5-bedroom. It has a loft, it has outdoor living space, and the primary suite is on the first level. Let's go inside so you can see how beautiful this home truly is. Now you come in, you have a foyer area, and just like most Classica homes, when you make that first right or left when you come in, you have a bedroom or an office. They use it as an office. You can configure it as a ensuite, a guest suite right there in the front. You have this beautiful dining area. Then you go into the living room with these tremendous vaulted ceilings. Just makes it feel very open and spacious. And just see how this home flows. It just flows very nicely. Tons of storage, tons of cabinet space. Beautiful fixtures and features. Now that is a pocket door that can slide all the way in, so you can have the indoor-outdoor living. You have this covered patio outside with skylights, equipped with that electronic screen that comes down. If you haven't seen it, please watch this video right here. Nice size pantry area. Now let's go into the owner's suite. You have the tray ceilings. You have the extra 4-foot bump out to have increased space. Heading into the owner's bathroom. Look at all this counter space. Dual vanity sinks. Space in the center to do your makeup. Nice size shower. Large walk-in closet. At the end of that closet is a washer and dryer, specifically only for the owner's suite. Now let's head upstairs. Here is your spacious loft area when you get to the top of the stairs. A workstation, which is perfect for what we've been going through. People working from home, kids learning from home. You have their own desk and area right there. You have your first bedroom suite. Has its own bathroom. Now let's see the rest of the upstairs. Here is your laundry room for upstairs. Downstairs you have your separate laundry. Upstairs you have your separate laundry. Here is the Jack and Jill bathroom. Heading into the next bedroom. Now the NAPA floor plan in their communities, they go anywhere from $1 million all the way up to $1.4 million. This is one of their most popular plans. It is just, as you can see, truly spacious, and everybody has their own privacy. You can have all these rooms, can have their own ensuite if you choose. But then you have these large spaces for family gatherings, such as this loft area or downstairs with the open living, dining room, and outdoor area. If you're interested in this floor plan or just interested in Classica builders, they are a local builder here in Charlotte. Please reach out to my team and I. We would love to help you. I'm Sir Ashley. Talk soon.